today's video is just going to be about a quick informal length check, and I'm just going to show a montage of pictures of my hair from the beginning of the year, January 2019, until now, and see the progress of the growth of my hair for this year. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow. So I'm going to do a really informal length check. Let me go ahead and moisturize my hair first. Okay, now my hair is properly moisturized and sealed. So let's do an informal length check. As you know, yesterday I did my end of the year trim. I cut off about ½ an inch in some places, 1 inch in others. So keep that in mind. Let me move back so you guys can see. So right here, boob length. Okay, my crown. To the sky. Other side. Boob length. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my back. Hold on. Did I make it to waist length even with the trim yesterday? You let me know down in the comments below. I'm just happy with my hair this year. The big chop I did March 2016. My hair was about this 2.5 inches long when I did my big chop due to heat damage. And since 2016, I was just really focused on just taking care of my hair, moisturizing my hair, finding the products that I love. Tomorrow I will share with you guys my holy grail leave-in conditioners, because moisture is so important inside and out. So I'll show you my favorite leave-ins tomorrow for Curlmas. But yeah, I'm really happy with my progress with my curls. I wish my hair was a little bit thicker, but maybe that will be one of my goals for 2020, to focus on that as well. But I want to go ahead and the next clip will be a montage from January up to now of my wash and goes and how it progressed from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. And let me know if you guys can tell a difference in my wash and go and the hang time of my curls in the comments below. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. That video, and like I always say, love the skin you're in, embrace your uniqueness, and be the good. Bye guys.